Is Tesla's Model 3 about to undergo a stunning design refresh? Let's find out the exciting rumors and potential changes in our in-depth analysis. Now, before we dive into the details, let's remember to take this rumor with a grain of salt. After all, rumors can sometimes be just that, rumors. But hey, let's get into it and see what all the buzz is about. As we reported recently, our visionary CEO and tech genius, Elon Musk, is currently in China. And you know what happens when Elon is on the move, speculations start running wild. The rumor mill has been churning, suggesting that Elon's visit to China might bring some exciting surprises, including the possibility of the long-awaited full self-driving beta being launched in China, along with the potential unveiling of the new Model 3. Now, why is there so much hype around China? Well, Tesla has a knack for launching new versions of their vehicles in the Chinese market, thanks to their incredible Gigafactory Shanghai. And guess what? Our trusted source, Bloomberg, has recently added fuel to the fire by claiming that they have inside information about Tesla's plans. According to Bloomberg sources, Tesla is preparing to give us an early glimpse of the revamped Model 3. Bloomberg sources reveal that Tesla will have prototypes of the new Model 3 rolling off the assembly line very soon. Now, let me tell you, these rumors have been circulating for quite some time now. Towards the end of last year, whispers started to circulate that Tesla had something special in store for the Model 3 in the second half of 2023. The project even has a cool codename, Highland. Fancy, right? It gets even more interesting. Back in December, some eagle-eyed photographers managed to capture a heavily camouflaged Model 3 prototype being tested in California. Oh, the anticipation was killing us. But that's not all. Another prototype was spotted shortly after, suggesting that Tesla was getting closer to releasing the vehicle. And just last month, a leaked picture surfaced, showcasing the new Model 3 without any camouflage. Finally, we got a glimpse of what's in store. So, what changes can we expect? Well, here's our take on it. We believe that the design refresh might bring about some modest changes to the front, maybe a fresh new look for the headlights, and perhaps some subtle tweaks to the rear lights. Let's not forget, the Model 3 is already a stylish sedan that stands out from the crowd. It's a head-turner. And knowing Tesla, they'll continue to refine the Model 3 and its sibling, the Model Y, until they achieve that perfect blend of style and functionality that customers adore. However, we should approach this rumor with caution. Tesla isn't known for showing off new versions of their vehicles before they're actually available for purchase. They prefer to keep things under wraps until the perfect moment, ensuring that it doesn't negatively impact current sales. So, unless Bloomberg sources got it all wrong, and these prototypes are actually ready for deliveries, we better be a bit skeptical. Moreover, let's consider that this update appears to be relatively mild. In fact, some Tesla enthusiasts might even prefer the existing Model 3, which still retains those trusty steering stalks. After all, it's all about personal preference and what resonates with each individual. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the significance of Tesla's presence in China. The Gigafactory Shanghai has played a crucial role in Tesla's global expansion, allowing them to tap into the world's largest electric vehicle market. This factory has been instrumental in reducing production costs and accelerating Tesla's growth in the region. With China's push towards sustainable transportation, Tesla's popularity has soared, making it a key market for the company. The Chinese market holds immense potential, and any announcements related to Tesla's products and advancements create a ripple of excitement among fans and investors alike. Now, let's circle back to the Model 3 design refresh. While we can't say for certain what changes the new iteration will bring, one thing is for sure: Tesla is constantly striving to improve and innovate. The leaked image of the camo-free Model 3 gives us a glimpse of a sleek and refined exterior, which indicates that Tesla is committed to enhancing the overall aesthetics of their vehicles. However, Tesla typically prefers to surprise their customers and the market with exciting updates and features. And this strategy not only maintains a sense of anticipation but also prevents potential customers from delaying their purchases in anticipation of upcoming upgrades. Over the years, we've witnessed numerous updates and enhancements across their vehicle lineup, from increased range and performance to software upgrades that introduce new features and functionalities. Tesla's dedication to delivering the best possible driving experience sets them apart in the industry. So, while we eagerly await official confirmation and more details about the Model 3 design refresh, let's appreciate the Model 3's current form, an impressive electric sedan that has revolutionized the automotive landscape. Its sleek lines, spacious interior, and cutting-edge technology have made it a fan favorite among electric vehicle enthusiasts worldwide. So, what are your thoughts? Are you excited about the potential changes, or do you lean towards the classic Model 3? We'd love to hear your opinion. Share your thoughts and preferences in the comments section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest Tesla news and updates. Watch our other video on Tesla brings back the long-range Model 3 with an 18% discount. And we will see you soon.